So hey guys, today I want to go over how often you should go about optimizing your campaigns. Now, if your campaign is brand new, then you want to make sure you go there more often, meaning every day or two, depending on how many impressions, how many clicks, and so forth. You want to do so because you don't want any money bleeding keywords or search terms eating up your budget. Now, if your campaign is already been running for a while and you've been optimizing it on a regular basis, then I recommend you optimize the bidding 2 to 3 times a week. So there you have it. If your campaign is brand new, then optimize often, a day or two. If the campaign is seasoned, then you want to have a schedule and do it every 2 to 3 times a week. Okay? So that is it. And as always, if you have any comments, any questions, leave them below and I'll get right back to you. Okay? Bye.